How to create a new Gmail account on iPad. If you want to create a new Gmail account on your iPad, you can do that real quickly. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account to your iPad using the Gmail app. So before we proceed with this video, check if you have the Gmail app on the iPad. If you have not installed it, put the video on pause and go to the App Store and install the Gmail app. Now open the Gmail app. Tap on Sign In. Tap now on Google. Tap now Continue. Now tap on Create Account. Select for yourself or for your business, how you want. Write the first name and the last name, then tap Next. Enter your birthday and gender, and then tap Next. Select one of the recommended Gmail address Google gives you. You can also tap on Create your own Gmail address. The last option will allow you to customize your email address. Now tap Next. You can use the password created by the iPad, but I prefer using my own, so tap what you prefer. I prefer using my own password. After you set up the password on your Gmail account on the iPad, tap Next. Confirm that you are not a robot. Write your phone number and then tap Next. Now enter the 6-digit verification code you receive and tap Next. Go to the bottom of the page and tap Yes, I'm in. Agree with terms of service from Google and then tap Create Account. Tap Confirm. You'll be signed into the account you just created. You just need to wait until all process is finished. Allow smart features on Gmail or disable this. Tap Next. Select here what you want and then tap Done. You have now created a new Gmail account on your iPad. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.